Hey everyone, Shaunus here. What's going on? Welcome to this new video. So a long time ago, about a year and a half, 2 years ago, I made a video on Google AdWords and how to promote affiliate products with Google AdWords. Now that video was really cool and a lot of people liked it, and a lot of people were asking about Google AdWords more and more after that. So what I decided to do is I decided to make a brand new video to talk about this and share some new strategies, because that video was almost 2 years old. I made that, I think I recorded that video back in January 2017, so it's almost 2 years. So what I want to do is I want to make a new video about this, and I want to talk about new strategies and ways that I've been using to promote affiliate products using Google AdWords and Google Ads. Basically used to be called Google AdWords. So let's get started. I'm going to start with some basics, and I'm going to share some strategies with you here, and then I'm going to take you to my computer. I'm going to show you examples and just show you some more cool tips and tricks and stuff that you can use in your promotions. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to start with the basics that I've taught in the previous video. Okay, so basically the way you do this is I'm also going to talk about, by the way, I'm going to talk about Google AdWords rules as well. Okay, so just be patient. I'm going to share the strategy here, and we're going to get into more details over there. All right, so obviously you got to start with the pre-sale page. So if you have an affiliate page, for example, let's say this is your affiliate page. Okay, so what you want to do is you don't want to send clicks directly to this, because it never works, and even if you could actually somehow get your ad approved, it's not effective. It's not as effective that you want it to be. All right, because advertising costs money, and you just don't want to send your clicks, the clicks that you're actually paying, to someone else's website, basically, if you're promoting affiliate products. So what you want to do is you want to set up a pre-sale page. Now this is what we've talked about in the previous video, so you know these things. You know, a pre-sale page. So pre-sale page is basically a page that has one job: to convince someone to buy a product from you, okay, or basically buy a product in general. Okay, so that is pre-sale page, and at the end there's going to be a button or something that goes to the sales page, basically. All right, so that's the basic, you know it. Now this is where a lot of people make mistakes, because in order for you to actually get people to take action on this pre-sale page, you need to do a couple of things. So what you need to do when it comes to doing Google Ads to get affiliate sales is that you need to understand the traffic and what they want. This is really important, because I have another video about Facebook ads where I explain exactly why, if you're doing Facebook ads and not getting results with it, why is that? Because what's important when it comes to advertising is that you need to understand the traffic and why someone would click on it, and what do they expect to get when they click on your ad. That's very important. Okay, so in my case, because this is search traffic, you want to answer their question. Okay, so for example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, you want to provide some value before you ask for anything else. Even though if it's email, even if it's something really simple like name and email, you want to provide some basic value. That's very important, okay? Because without it, you're not going to be able to build a list, because building a list is important. So the way I do this is that instead of just sending the traffic directly to the pre-sale page, what I do is I have a page, I call it a basic video page. So there's a headline on this page, okay, and there's going to be a video. Now this video is really short. It's super short, like 2 minutes basically, because you don't want to take too much of someone's time, and also people are not going to stay on your page unless you have the most awesome video in the world, which is really rare. Yeah, it's hard to make a really cool video. So yes, some basic video, 2 minutes, that explains why they should opt in. That's really important, because you don't want to have too much text on that page. You want to have something really simple and a video that provides some value. So when they clicked on, in their mind, they're going to think, all right, so I got some value from this page. Okay, this page they had a good video. I learned some basic stuff. Okay, now it's time for me to give my name and email. This is where you ask for name and email. So you're going to have the button here, right? Like, you're going to have the button. The video is going to provide some value, and then after you provide some value, you're going to ask for something. That's very important, okay? So you're going to ask for the name and email. So this is the basic strategy. So what I want to do right now is I want to take you to my computer to share a couple of stuff with you, a couple more things that are going to basically help you to have a better understanding of this strategy and how it works. Another thing that we do, actually, to just close this video, I'm gonna explain, give you more detail on that when I get to my computer. But another thing that we do is we do retargeting. So for example, when someone lands on this page, you know, they click on the ad but they don't opt in or they don't sign up for the page, we do retargeting and target the same person with more ads to just send them either directly to this page. We just run multiple tests, you know, we send them directly to this page or a new landing page. Okay, so a new landing page with a new video or something like that. Again, you want to test these things to see which one works better. All right, so let's go to my computer. Let me actually show you this in action and give you some examples. All right, so let's go over there. All right guys, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna show you an example so you get a good idea of how this whole thing works before I give you more details. Now I want to show you an example, and I'm going to show you one more thing, which is two things in total, which is really important, especially if you're doing PPC or pay-per-click ads. Okay, so let's get started. Let me actually start with this. So this is an example. For example, this is a landing page. So as you see, it got the headline, the basic headline, and then there's the video. It's really short, you know, it's like 2 minutes, 3 minutes video, and then people click on it, and they enter the name and email if they want to learn more. Again, the idea here is that you want to provide value, some value, not a lot, because you cannot expect people to spend 20 minutes on your page. So you want to keep it really short. You want to have a short video. You want to keep them on your page for a small amount of time, even 30 seconds. It doesn't have to be super long, or it doesn't have to be at exactly 2 minutes or something that is gonna actually engage them with your page. Okay, people like videos. When they see a video on your page, they're going to play it, especially if the traffic is coming from PPC or Google ads, basically. Okay, so video on the page, really important. Another thing I want to talk about, which is something that a lot of people don't do, and this has helped me a lot in conversions. I mean, there are a lot of things. I'm gonna kind of talk about that one as well, but this is one small thing that really changes a lot. So if you're doing PPC, if you're doing like, if you're targeting keywords, if you're targeting keywords on Google, specific keywords, what you want to do is you want to have that specific keyword on your page. This is really helpful. It just changes a lot of things conversion wise. It just improves conversions, and it just gets you more sales and more engagement with the page. That's very powerful, guys, very powerful. And it's really not that hard. What I do is I usually, if you actually have watched my video on Bing advertising, you know that my strategy is that I use a specific keyword in every single ad group. So I don't target like 10 different keywords with the same ad. So there's going to be the ad, and then there's going to be multiple ads for one keyword. And then what I do is I have that keyword on my landing page. Okay, so this way people land on something familiar. That's really important, because if someone's searching how to lose weight in 2 weeks, and your ad says lose weight in 2 weeks, so they click on it, right? So that's good. But when they land on your page, they see that lose weight quickly. It's not specific enough to them, right? So they close the page. They don't take action on your page. So you want to have that keyword that they were searching on your page. It just gives them a more familiar feeling, basically. All right, that's very important. So you could do that. You could have landing pages for a landing page for every keyword that you target, or another clever thing that you could do, which I'm not going to share here, but another clever thing that you could do is you could actually use a script that replaces a specific part of your page with a keyword. So you could just send people directly from ads to the page, and it just automatically replaces that part of your page with the keyword, which is not bad, actually. So yeah, so the way you just go to your page editor and do a part of it. I mean, for example, in my case, this is the main headline. I keep it. Like for the targeting keyword, I do this. Like this is where I change. For example, if I'm gonna if I'm targeting a keyword like lose weight in 2 weeks, there you go. So I just do this and then, you know, update it and advertise that page just like that. All right, so yeah, this is how I do it. Again, keyword on a page, very powerful stuff. Without it, you're not going to convert that good. So it's it helps a lot. Now, to close this video, I want to talk about something really important. Let me actually make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so this is just a very small part of things that I do, you know. When it comes to doing ads, there's a lot of things that you got to do. So yeah, so this is just a small part of it, you know, the keyword on the page, the strategy that I just showed you, you know, the pre-sale, the video strategy and everything. So that's a very small part of it. So if you want to learn more about these things, and if you really want to learn the real affiliate marketing, because, you know, there are a lot of ways for you to promote affiliate products and make money, but there's only one good way. And this is a way this is a strategy that is used by top marketers. You know, I'm doing it. You know, I'm making a lot of money on different affiliate networks, ClickBank, JVZoo, and all those places. And this is something that I even use in my own company. In case if you don't know me, I have a company called Diversity, and it's a very large company, a large online business education company. So we use that same strategy for our own company, and it's working very, very well. So if you want to learn it in detail, I have a training that you can check out. It's free. Just click the link. That's going to take you there. You can access it. And by the way, there's no opt-in in there, so you can just watch the video for yourself. You don't have to put your name and email or anything like that. So you can just watch that free video. It's going to teach you exactly, give you more detail on how a real successful online business works, whether you're promoting your own products or you're promoting someone else's product as an affiliate. So that's going to teach you a lot of good stuff. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're brand new to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe. I post videos almost every single day. Yeah, so I actually was out for about a month and a half. I didn't post that many videos, but I'm back. I'm posting videos every single day. That's why I was kind of hesitant. But yeah, I'm posting videos every single day. You should definitely subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video, or if you have any questions about it. I would be happy to respond if you have any questions. And again, the link is in the description. Check it out for yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.